Do you want to add a background song on your personal favorite music to your Snapchat account while recovering a video? Just like other apps like TikTok, YouTube Short, many Snapchat users want to know how they can add or set background music or create a snap with a song on Snapchat from an Android or iPhone. Here, in today's video, I'll move on and show you a quick way to add a background song to Snapchat video. Before you do anything, update your Snapchat account from the Google Play Store or App Store. After that, open Snapchat. Now take a look here. Now tap the music icon here. Now you can search for any popular music that you want to add to your video. If you want, you can even add your own song to the apps. You can tap My Songs to pick a song from your gallery. Once you choose your song, now you can edit the song. At the same time, you can record a video by pressing the shutter button on your Snapchat account. After that, you can share the video anywhere you want from your Snapchat account. So guys, this is how you can add a background song to your Snapchat account from your Android or iPhone. Now, if you have any questions about this topic, be sure to ask me in the comment section.